Hello friends, Running Kimono here. If you love Dollar General, our Super Bowl is showing up from the 28th to the 2nd of March, which is the clearance event. An additional 50% off of items that are already in the clearance section or items that have the orange sticker. An additional 50% off. That's known as POG. And it's going to be fantastic. This is the first one of the year, and the last one that we had was November 15th to the 21st of last year. So it's been a couple of months. Again, the dates are Friday, the 28th of February to Sunday, March the 2nd, so that entire weekend. And as stated, an additional 50% off of clearance merchandise or those orange stickers that are known as POG as well. And we'll talk about that in a future video. Also, on Sunday the 23rd, we'll have more digital coupons to load. We're going to have another video. And I would load the coupons that I'm going to talk about in this video today because they might not be available to load as of next week. I recommend that you scout your stores, and this also might be an opportunity to find many penny items. There is a lack of space at a lot of these Dollar Generals, they're smaller stores. They often store a lot of the clearance items in these gray totes. They keep them in the back and they pull them out just for the clearance event. And if the store is short staffed, typically what happens is they're not going to go through everything. And as many of you recall, it was a couple weeks back, we had a massive penny list. And it wasn't like 5 items, it was like probably 100 plus items throughout the store, from As Seen on TV to pet food, just a whole bunch of stuff. I will link this video at the very end where I show UPCs just so you can get that, the penny memory working in your mind so you can remember, like, oh, that's a penny item, that isn't. But definitely I would look through all of these totes because you might be surprised what you find. You might find the mother lode this clearance event. I also recommend that you scout your store, meaning take the time to really look at your store. What do they have in these wire racks or in the clearance section? And is this worth your time? Yes or no? That's the question that you have to answer. It's very easy to sit back and say, well, my store sucks or there's nothing here. But you never know. Maybe they rearranged that clearance section, especially with the last penny list that they had. There's a lot of room to put more stuff in the store. So I would definitely scout your store. Is this worth your time? Yes or no? So we're just going to hop right into this. The first item is a 25-cent shampoo. It is this L'Oreal Elvive with the teal cap, and here is the UPC. It's currently $4.50. Right now we have a digital coupon that's a 4 off a 2, so load that. And all the math for these, I'm looking at a 50% off store. I'm not going to go 70. And this coupon might not be available to load next week, so load it right away. You're paying 50 cents for the two, and we're only looking at updated stores because I know around here it's mostly updated stores now, and that's how they're going. So the overage, no more, but all the stuff I'm showing you in this video, there is no overage. Lack of space on the shelves, often they throw a lot of the shampoo on the very top sky shelf. So don't be shy to look up there and ask an employee for help if you're like, hey, that's my shampoo. To get them for 25 cents each. I mean, that's an unheard of price point. Load that coupon. That is just a fantastic deal. Another item that I've seen in many clearance sections is this. It's a 6 count of the antibacterial bar soap. So at 50% off, that's going to start on the 28th. So if you're scanning that barcode right now, it's going to say $7.20, but on the 28th, it's going to be 50% of that. We have a $2 digital that's attaching, so it's going to make it $1.60. And for a product that's 6 bar soaps is usually like $8 at most stores. That is a very good price point. Definitely a stock up price. I have one family member, all they use is bar soap. Load this coupon. It's valid till the 1st. So that would be the Saturday. Really pay attention to those dates as well. And I'm really hoping that on Sunday the 23rd, we get a lot more digital coupons to go with deals. And I have been out there picking up fresh photos. These are not older photos. We have the Gain. This is a massive thing of the fireworks at 50% off with the $5 coupon. This guy will be $6.12. And I'm definitely going to be looking for a lot of the POG stickers and how things will shake out. Unfortunately, a lot of the stores around here, they're understaffed, so they haven't been hanging those orange stickers, but I will find a store sooner than later. And then we have a Lysol spray at 50% off, and we have a dollar digital. This guy is going to be a $1.70. And what's happening smack dab in the middle of the clearance event is the Saturday 5 off 25. So if you wanted to throw in a bunch of these clearance items, if there's anything left, because people go really hard for this. It's just how it is right now. People are really going hard at the Dollar General for any sort of sale. Maybe you can put some of this stuff in a 5 off 25, or you'll just go shopping on Friday and go crazy with all the deals. That's it for this video. Expect a video early on the week of the 24th with more matchups. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.